Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, cloth seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.